Hello, it's Glory here, and today I'm playing some Slime Rancher, and so I'm gonna make a new game. I'd much rather use the mouse though, so yeah, let's use the mouse when we're doing this. So I guess let's pick this guy. He looks cute. Okay, this one. Okay, now we're playing, and so basically this is a game where you have to raise little slimes, and you can basically mix them with other slimes, but I'm probably not going to do that. I'm probably going to be doing a bunch of experiments. So yeah, there's some carrots here. Hello, carrots. And here is a slime. There's a bunch of them all over the ranch. Come here. And when I say ranch, I don't mean the kind of ranch. This isn't, I don't live in a salad. You stay in there. And I've actually had a whole entire completely crazy thing of slime. So if you want, if you want your slimes to stay, I get high walls, but I don't have enough money. This is how you get money. By feeding them. And so they're eating. And do I want to make a coop or a garden? And now we have a coop there. Now we can take these chickens, put them in the coop, so they're nice and safe. Yeah, so now I'm going to feed them again. And now we have 3 plorts. 2 plorts. I guess we're having 2 plorts. And these plorts are worth 10. So now we have 20. So now I'm guessing we're gonna go into the area. Before we do anything, I'm just gonna also no one needs. Okay, so oh, haha! Yeah, so it looks like I found another slime. Boom! It's so funny. They're like, okay, so I guess we'll put that plort in there. So, hey, slimes. Can I have your thought about living here? They're just so hilarious. They're like, it's just so funny. And as you can see, we have a bunch of different plorts here. I don't even know what that is. It's probably like bone plort. And these little slimes here, you better not move. You better not get out of there. So now I'm just gonna go out and see if I can find any plorts, because I kind of need to make more corrals. Yeah, dry reef. There's a bunch of carrots here. What do you know? And a bunch of plorts here. There's a bunch of slimes. So fill my corral with. And now I will take these plorts, these slimes, and these pogo fruits. Now let's go back to this. Basically, carrots are just for my slimes, but if I really wanted, I can make a garden when I have enough money. And so, yeah. Get in there! Get in there! Hey, you! Get back in there! Hey, you! Come here. You get back in there! It's so funny. Now let's just go turn these pellets. Beautiful pellets. Yeah. So this thing's called a pogo fruit. I wonder if they like it. I guess eat anything. Carrots for everyone! Yes, this is pretty cool. Oh, my slimes, let's clean it up in here. Let's clean up. Clean up. Clean up. Ah, you get back here. And you stay on my top of my head. All 18 slimes back. Hey, you! Get over here! Get back in there! You! Get back in there! I kind of really need to talk first. Now let's go return this. Poop. I don't know what it is. Literally, it's a poop. I don't know. So, let's go get some more things. Hooray! Yay! Dude. Hey, you! Get here! Come here! Come here! I basically don't know what is around here. Because, like, I've only really seen carrots, pogo fruits, and slimes. Because I'm just trying to get all the food and stuff before I go crazy and do other things. So, come here! Get back in there! Okay. No! You couldn't get out! Okay. You guys like pogo fruits. And you like carrots. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Okay. Now let's return this one pellet. Boom. Get it from a distance. Hello, everyone! This is so funny. They're hilarious. Let's go get some more food. Getting dark. Ta-da! Trees out of pogo fruits. Okay. This is the fastest growing carrots I've seen in history. Oh, I see more of you. And more pogo fruits. Wow, there's a lot of them. A lot. And I am not joking, there is a bunch of them. I see so many slimes. Like, I see so many. And, like, I see so many plorts. It is going crazy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Get in the gun. Get in the suction. Get in the suction. You guys, you gotta do it. subscribe, and like.